Found on 14.
Oh, I've got him here. I've got him there. I'm 1037.
I'm 1037.
10 more, hold on in for 1037, 1063.
Pass the Meadowbrook.
10 more.
White male, blue jeans, gray tank top, black helmet. We're in the roundabout right now. Looks like we're going to be going back towards 8th Street.
10 more.
See if Bentonville can get up by the David Glass building and block them. Coming up to Oakley right now, speed 70, light traffic.
10 more.
Looks like we may be going north on Waverly. Tempo. Negative, he's through the red light. Okay, we're going through the new Walmart home office now. Speeds 70.
10 more.
South on Integrity Drive. Negative, he's wrong way now.
10 more.
Speed 60. Light traffic.
10 more.
Crossing J Street. We're still westbound on 8.
10 more.
South on G Street. Negative, he kept going west on 8th Street.
10 more.
Passing C Street now. Speed 60 light traffic.
10 more.
Hey, he don't know how to ride at all, so he ain't getting far. South on Main. Negative, he's on the greenway now behind him.
10 more.
North on Walton.
10 more.
Speeds 80, medium traffic.
10 more.
We're approaching Central now. past Tiger, still northbound.
1040.
Speed's 85, no traffic, still northbound.
1040.
Hey, take over call and I'll see if I can get enforced off the road.
They've been advised.
That's a mercy way. Hey, get on your stomach right now. Get on your stomach right now. On your stomach. On your stomach.
Oh, stupid.
Lower tempo.
I got music going, I can't hear you.
Roll over on your back. Sit up. That was real stupid, you know that?
Yep.
Is the bike stolen?
No.
Then why are we running? You have a warrant?
No. Oh, yeah.
What's it for? Did you miss court? Something stupid?
Huh?
Did you miss court? Is it for something stupid?
Say what?
Here. Stand up. Put your feet under you. 1, 2, 3. Nothing's going to stick in your poke. Yeah. Dude, you don't know how to ride. You won't get out on me. Then why'd you run? Nothing else on you, do you? You been to prison before? Well, you're getting ready to go. I don't care if it's not comfortable, you put yourself there.
Yeah.
Yep, all the way from like Bentonville Rogers line. Ran from Bentonville. Didn't know how to ride the bike. I don't think we talked like 90 miles an hour.
Look at that. So we were just down around the corner waiting for us to say, alright. Well.
So he's got a warrant, so. No, we're gonna get it towed off and we'll be good to go. Smoked them. I was about to say an old 41 got a crash.
Well, yeah, because they started going right and then they come back left.
Yeah. Good thing I didn't like a big wall or something. Scuff my car. Oh, CDL.
They stuff.
Are you trying to get a vent off the bike at all? So it ain't stolen, but I'm not sure. I hit him. I hit him. We're going like 5 miles an hour just to get him off. Like it scratched my car a little bit.